Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to show off some really cool accessories for the 4th generation Tacoma and 6th generation 4Runner. Let's get started. Okay, so we have a handful of accessories here. These are going to be side accessories, meaning that they're going to fit in the side of the dashboard when the driver's side door is open. So these will not be accessible to the driver when the door is shut, but once the door is open, then you have these genuine Toyota accessories that Toyota is offering that will fit in any trim level, 4th generation Tacoma, or any trim level 4Runner, 6th generation. So we're going to start by the multi-tool. This is going to be the cover that's going to be on the car when you buy it from the dealer. And it's going to have some Morse code with a little secret message in there that Toyota wants to give you. But it's easy to pop this out. It's got these finger indentations, so just pull on that, yank it out, and you can snap this accessory holder in there, and it just clips in with 4 little clips, as all of these do. And basically just unvelcro it, and you can just pull it out, and you have a nice little Toyota multi-tool. Very similar to a Leatherman or a Benchmade. It's going to be made out of stainless steel. It's even laser engraved with Toyota. And just to kind of show off a couple of the different tools, obviously you have pliers, but you got a couple different, you got a big saw and a little saw, flathead. You got a nail file with a ruler on the back of it. You got a bottle opener with the flathead. You also have a Phillips down in there as well. You got a bigger knife. And then you have a smaller flathead, as well as another bottle opener, a mini flathead screwdriver. And then you also have some scissors in here as well, and another smaller saw as well. So you have a nice little selection of tools. It does appear to be extremely beefy, and it is very, very tight. And obviously, it'll become a little bit looser as you use it, but it is very, it feels very, very sturdy. So that is one accessory that Toyota is selling, and all these accessories that we're going to show off today are available at any Toyota dealership, and we sell them on our parts.edmartintoyota.com, and we'll have a link to all of these in the video section below. Okay, so the second one is going to be the boot brush / ice scraper. So again, you're just going to pull off your cover, and then you'll take this right here and you'll clip it in, just line it up and push in. Toyota will be on the top. And then this will clip in there. So whenever you're ready to clean your boots or scrape the ice off your windshield, you're just going to put your fingers in here and pull on it. It'll pull out and snap. And then you'll have your ice scraper, and then you'll have a boot brush as well. It's a hard bristled brush, and it just screws into the ice scraper attachment, just like that. Just threads in, and when you're done with it, you just pop it back in like that, and you're good to go. Third accessory is going to be the LED lantern that you can use for anything. And then go ahead and snap it out. Now this one, unlike these other two, this one needs a holder to screw into. So this is going to come with this nice little side case, which they actually do sell separately, and that'll be one of the ones that we have on this table here. So this case is going to clip in with the same 4 clips. It's going to say Toyota accessories, and then it's going to see, you'll have these 2 indentations, which you wouldn't have in the vehicle by itself. So once you have this, you'll take your lantern, you'll just unscrew it, and you can hook it. So if you're going to bring it to a tent or you're going to clip it to something, you have the ability to do that. It's got these little spring-loaded clips. And then you have a couple different settings. You have a bright setting in white, a medium, and a low, all in white. And if you press it again, it'll turn it to red, which is great for nighttime, because it doesn't attract as much bugs and it's a little easier on your eyes. And then you also have a flashing mode where you just press and hold it for 2 seconds, and then it'll turn itself off automatically. So you have 3 whites, 1 red, and then a strobe. And then when you're done with it, you just set it back inside, line it up in the case, turn counterclockwise, and it snaps back in. All right, so this one right here is a case kit, and this one you can use your imagination a little bit. Like the lantern, it does require the actual case. And again, you can buy this a couple different ways. So if you're thinking about buying this one, I'd pay attention. This particular part number right here for the kit is going to include the actual case right here, as well as the organizer right here. So this is really just kind of a generic tool. It's got Kaizen foam on one side, and it's got more of a fluffy insulation foam on the other side, and it just slides in and clips together. So a key could be a good use, you know, if you wanted something in the car but you maybe didn't want it to rattle around. It'll kind of compress itself inside the foam, and then nothing's rattling in there, it's not moving around. So anything that you have that's small that you want to, that can be pushed into the foam and be hidden, that would be a good application for this. But anything that you can think of, that would be useful. And again, if you, these are interchangeable, so if you have like the LED and you want to have the actual organizer, again, it's the same actual case, so you can interchange these. If you want to buy both and then swap them out from time to time, you could do that. Once you have it in the case, you just turn counterclockwise and you're back to a secured point again where it's not going to rattle. And then these two right here are going to be the same thing that we just showed off a moment ago as the kit, but they're standalone. So we have the side organizer that we just talked about, but this is being sold without the actual side case. Why do they have these two pieces together and then also in a kit? Only reason that I can possibly think of is maybe if you bought the kit and then you lost the organizer, or you want to have 2 or 3 of these organizers that you can kind of interchange out, then you wouldn't necessarily need to waste the money by buying more of these actual cases, because, you know, it does have some cost involved to it. So I think most people would probably just go ahead and buy the kit if you want the organizer, and this would be a great accessory to buy together, the lantern and the kit, because they're going to have the exact same clipping piece that they go into for the case. And then these two right here are going to be a little bit different, because these are both not going to be compatible with these cases once they're installed. You would have to pop the case out to install these two. Not a big deal. You can use a plastic pry tool. You probably even do it with a screwdriver. But these are the Toyota Genuine 4th generation Tacoma, 6th generation 4Runner. Fits all trim levels. And if you guys are interested in buying any of these, there will be links in the video description notes. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Toyota accessory content.